Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create payment link on Revolut. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to create a payment link on Revolut, all you gotta do is simply tap open your Revolut app. After doing this, you need to go to the payments on the bottom menu and simply tap on transfers. So once you're in the transfer section, you need to simply tap on the name option. So once you have tapped on the name, you need to simply tap on request money or send money. So once you've selected any of this, you can simply type in the money you want to send via a link or the money you want to receive via a link. After doing this, you can simply tap on the request option and you will be successful in creating a payment link on Revolut. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.